Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, click on this plus at the bottom left corner. And to add an audio file, tap on Files. Then you look for your file over here, and when you find it, hold it. Then, to add it, click on Select at the top right corner. If you wish to add a video one, click on Gallery instead. Tap on Folders. Look for your video, and when you find it, tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!